So now what I'm saying is, as he jumps off the taxi, you hear you capturing it. He's jumping off. You get him jumping off as he walks away. We're good. Great stuff. Let's bounce.
Like when it was coming up.
Nah, it's fine as long as you got part of the shot. Because it doesn't matter. You can get from where the taxi, from where I'm getting off the actual taxi. I think it also works. Because the one that you showed me right now. Because you could also just take a taxi that's coming through and then merge it with the shot. About a taxi like this one, taxi that's coming. But I think with this shot specifically, it works. We got the shot. Showcase. So shoot la. The urban man thing about umnini webhotel banide angekhetha uphuza ubisi. Ngome load shedding siyakhala. Ngazi noma usin 7 noma usin 8 kodwa kakhulu hey.
And this one is gonna be proper because it says Mbuya Spani.
Straight elevele nenkathi yasho. Let's White wood. Aye. Siyashutha la. Nana.
Siku.
Sisedube. Yabona nje. Ngayedla nje. Umabhiza wayehlala close. Yeah. Then no ngapha eqaleni. Une samention yabona nje mhlawumbe izinto ezo3. Yeah. Waqalwa render lapha. For ehla render. Sedube sishutha isini. Yellow shade.
Simamapi progressing kanjani?
Hayi progressing ngwabonile ama shot iyahlangana kakhulu. Iyahlangana. I think manje desele isini yase power station, nesini yasekere. Those two scenes then were done. So the footage I think is 70%. So elihambe yahle kakhulu. Siqale late kodwa akufani iyahlangana ngiyajabula.
Abantu balindele.
Abantu abalindele umlilo, abalindele something a very relevant to lento sikuyona right now. Angazi ngizoyibiza la. Angazi uzosola abantu futhi angazi. Kodwa nje abalindele umlilo. Uyeza maduze. Ababe anytime ababe ready abantu. Small showcase.